loves me, and to my amazement, I love it knowing that he loves me. He loves me till he doesn't show it. How could he when he doesn't know it? Yesterday he loved me, not today he likes me, and tomorrow, my teeth ache from the urge to touch him. I'm speechless, or I mustn't tell him. It's wrong now, but it won't be long now before my love discovers that he and I are lovers. Imagine how surprised he's bound to be. He loves me, loves me. He doesn't show it. How could he when he doesn't know it? I'm tingling, such delicious tingles. I'm trembling, what the heck does that mean? I'm freezing, that's because it's cold out. But still I'm incandescent, and like some adolescent, I'd like to scroll on every wall I see. He